Traditionally, API program owners often get overwhelmed by manual approval requests coming from their developer community. In this demo, we'll set up an automated approval flow to address this. We'll demonstrate how to achieve this by using Drupal's form builder for capturing requests, connecting it through Google Cloud Application Integration for orchestration, and applying an agentic approval process powered by the Agent Development Kit. Here is the form to request an Apigee app. For this demo, we're using a less complex version with general app information, product categories, usage type, and usage description. This automation is based on internal usage type and a meaningful description. Let's create a request. After submitting the form, application integration is called. Then an agent, developed in ADK and deployed in Agent Engine, will review the request based on a built-in workflow. If the request is approved by the agent, an app is created. Let's see what's in the log. We can see detailed information, including the agent's reasoning behind the approval and app creation. This end-to-end integration provides API program owners with a scalable, configurable, automated, and intelligent approval mechanism, reducing manual workload while ensuring consistent governance.